Hey guys, Corey Marshall here with Traveling Trainers. I am your personal trainer. Today we're going to introduce another piece of equipment that Traveling Trainers utilizes in their sessions with our clients. It's the medicine ball. If you haven't used the medicine ball before, I'm going to show you some ways that you can increase your strength. And we're going to do it based off of push-up. So not just being boring with the regular push-up, which we know sometimes can be, but just to elevate your game a little bit. All right, first we're going to put the medicine ball down. And then this is going to require a little bit of balance. So you're going to have it steady. You're going to get down to your push-up position, as so. And then you're going to put one foot on, and then the other foot on. And you're going to bring it down, and then up. Down, and then up. All right? That's just a good way to help increase your strength, as well as balance, and it's a core workout as well. Another variation that we're going to do is with the medicine ball being offset. All right, have one hand on and one hand on the floor. Bring it up. You're going to bring it down and up, down and up. You can switch it over to the other side. Down and up, down and up. And if you really want to get a little more intense, you can bring it to the middle. Both hands on there. Going to require balance once again. Some core work involved. Okay. You're going to bring it up. You're going to bring it down and then up, down and then up. This variation right here works more of the inner chest, just to get you that tightness right here. Also, it works on your triceps, all right? No granny arms around here, all right? Thank you guys for joining us. Remember, Traveling Trainers, wellness first, no excuses. Bye-bye.